Here I've got Xiaomi Mi A3 and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, locate and open display, and here you will notice Nightlight. Simply click on it, and now you can activate it by clicking on turn on now, and then you can also change the intensity of your nightlight simply by using the scale, so you can pick some cooler or warmer colors. If you'd like to switch off this mode, simply click on turn off now. You can also schedule nightlight, so click on schedule, and you can either pick custom time or from sunset to sunrise, so let me pick custom time, and now you can specify it by selecting the hour. It can be from 10 p.m. till 5 a.m. next day, and that would be basically all. If you would like to open it quicker, simply slide down the upper bar and find Nightlight. Here it is. So you can simply activate it by tapping on the moon icon. Then if you'd like to switch off Nightlight, simply click one more time on the moon icon. And that would be all. This is how you can activate, personalize and switch off Nightlight in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.